after years of sacrifice, courage and determination. Thousands of brave freedom fighters sacrificed their dreams or even their lives so that we could live in a free nation. Our freedom is not just a gift, it is a responsibility. Today we do not need to fight with weapons. We can serve our nation by being honest, helping others, respecting others and working hard in our studies. As we are students, we are the future of India. The books we read today will become the strength of our nation tomorrow. Let us dream big, think positive and contribute to making India more stronger, cleaner and more united. Always remember, a nation becomes great not only from their heroes, it can also become great from their responsible citizens. Let us promise to love our country and respect our national flag. I would like to end my speech with these inspiring words.